Hello again, guys. So this is a quick analysis and feedback of my latest sketches. This is sketch 109, I believe. So this is how I am creating really effective ways of sketching and getting the fundamentals of my drawing, and that is proportions and quick speed and basically knowing where specific kind of things should be, and also referring back to the original source. So this is a photo from online, and I basically just copied, not copied, but drawn the face as it was. So I will give you a quick rundown of the things that I found in my quick analysis. Sorry for the background noise. There's people out in their garden power washing their driveway. So if there's any terms that I use, please let me know and I will get back to you, but I will just assume you know what I'm talking about otherwise. So for each 3 sketches, I utilise what's called good speed. Again, let me know what if you don't know what I'm talking about. And originally I was drawing, each sketch took me 4 minutes, which I then took 1 minute for the analysis or the summary and my own feedback, where I went wrong, where I went right, what worked out, what method I felt was more effective for that specific drawing or topic. So this one took 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes. This one took 3 minutes, and this one I stopped when it got to 2 minutes because it is all wrong. The proportions, the layout, everything was wrong. So there's times where it does go completely wrong, and I know it did go wrong, so I wasn't going to kick myself about it, and I just used it as a learning experience and knew that I would go back and create some positive feedback so that I could then work on the next sketch. So sketch number 1 is the closest to the original reference photo. Actually, for sketch number 2, I created a different angle for her, so she's looking to the left, and she's, as much as she is looking to the left with her eyes, her head is actually turned more towards the right. So I tried something, a wee bit of creative license, and I actually think it did work out. However, the eyes are slightly too wide, I felt. So every day is a learning day. I know where I went right, I know where I went wrong, and the methods that I also utilised was geometric and observational. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please let me know. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much, and I shall see you next time. Bye!